So guys, I want to show you a really great tip on how to save loads of time when it comes time to wrapping your presents. My mother used to do this way back when I was growing up. She would have boxes that were pre-wrapped. So she would like wrap the top. It was the ones that fit on the other one. She would wrap the bottom. She would use them year after year, and it was just so clever. And I found a whole bunch of beautifully decorated boxes already that are like in beautiful fabrics and beautiful bows. And I just kind of took her idea of kind of like recycling these gift boxes year after year. So I literally bought these like these maroon velvet covered boxes in a food store called Acme back in like 1996. And I remember the year because my daughter was just born and I was a new mom and I had, no time, and I was trying to wrap, the rest of the family's presents, in-laws and my parents. And I was like, wow, I'm going to use my mom's trick. And I bought a whole bunch of them. I think they were like $5 a piece back then. And I love them because they're gorgeous and they've stood the test of time. And I bought them at the time, Sheldon thought I was crazy. He's like, why do you have all these crazy boxes? So I have them in squares and I have them in circles and I have them, some are smaller, some are larger. But what I do is on Christmas, I'll wind up putting a lot of gifts inside. So I can put like a cute little sweater inside here. Some of them would have like, like some boots or some gloves. And it's a really fun, festive look for the tree. Just keep in mind that kids often love to do the gift wrap. So like for my kids, I would always like wrap their presents up in like the gift wrap because it's really fun to kind of tear through that. But a lot of times we've got a lot of adult gifting to do, like aunts and uncles and grandparents and things like that. You can actually like pre-wrap their gifts here. As the kids get older, you can start using these to kind of wrap up their gifts with. So you can put a sweatshirt inside of here, you can put some shirts, some jeans, some fun technology stuff. And then you could kind of put them under the tree early as long as like your kids don't snoop too much as they get older. And it just looks really beautiful. And then as you can tell, like I just got like little tags on them. And I'll just write each kid's name. And then sometimes I'll have to switch the tag based on like, which box I need it for. And they just look beautiful. So I've got them, like I said, from, like 20 some odd years ago from the Acme store. And then I bought some new ones. Like each year I'll buy like a couple new ones. And you can find them now on like Target and Michael's. And sometimes you get like that 40% discount off at Michael's. And so I'll show you some of the ones that I just bought. I think I got this one at Target like last year or the year before. But it's just really, really beautiful. And it makes the tree look super festive on the bottom. It saves you a load of time because you're not gift wrapping every single item. And then some of them I will use to even store some of my Christmas ornaments. So it serves a dual purpose because when I'm done taking all the ornaments off the tree and everyone's done opening up their gifts, I'll just wind up taking some of the ornaments down and I just put them in here and I'll seal them up. And I'll put them in like some, like Tupperware containers and I'll lock it in so that, the critters don't get in there. And it's terrific. And then some of them you can even kind of nest. Like a lot of them, we'll just put like one inside of the other. And these, I wanted to show you, I got at Michael's just last year. So these are beautiful. And they can be used as gift boxes. This is kind of like that nesting idea. So when we go to clean up and store our stuff, like you're probably not going to have enough space for all these boxes, but a lot of times they'll fit inside of each other as you're cleaning up. And so it's a really good idea to kind of use that nesting idea and clean up. And then you only have like, like maybe like 5 or 6 big boxes and you put it in that Tupperware container, you lock it up and then it's good to go. And this is really clever. It's a suitcase. So I like, how fun is this? I think I had like a big leather coat or some sort of coat in here for my son Ryan last year. And it's just like a bigger version, of that whole gifting idea. And then I use this to store a whole bunch of like the gift bags that we have that we used year after year. And so now this, this is like a very clever way to kind of store those gift bags. And now we're going to kind of, lock them up. So it's going to be good to go.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. And guys, I put a link in descriptions below for my online flower courses. They make for a great gift for the gardeners in your life. And please let me know where you're viewing this from in this great, big, beautiful world. I'd love to see how our flower tribe is growing around the globe each week. And please say hi to us over on my Cranberry Fields Instagram page and also on my Kelly Lehman's Flower Tribe Facebook group. And I will see you in the next video.